7th, day 6, and we're all heading to the Acropolis. So we're waiting for the bus, and Ricky hasn't gotten down yet, and the bus is supposed to arrive in like 2 minutes. So will he make it? Wait and see. Right after I stopped recording, Ricky walked out. It's a big day. So kiosk is a great word on its own, but here we got kioskies. AC. That is a crazy view. There's the stage. That's the first ever stage, right?
Yeah.
Ever in the whole universe.
Must
Yeah.
be.
I guess the Greeks have had lights for a long time. So tell us what happened.
So we have no idea where we are. We're supposed to get a bus at 1:30, but that was 3 minutes ago.
Right.
We have no idea how to get there, so we just ordered a taxi.
Yeah, also the others are not here, it's just 4 of us. So
Yeah, we lost them.
We lost them. Yeah, they were late. But now we're all late, so what difference does it make? So, Ricky and I and the Weyers just got lunch. I got some spaghetti. It was really good. What'd you get?
I don't know. What was it?
I don't know.
Some chicken stuff.
He got something that had chicken in it. And yeah, now we're heading back up to the room, and we need to be at the lighthouse at 4, but before then, we gotta change, because, like, I was sweating a lot. Apparently that whole time I was vlogging, we didn't press the button, which is why the elevator wasn't moving. But now, we're on the 4th floor. So, I'm about to do another workshop with these people, and some other people around somewhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a pyramid solve in the beginning of that. Hopefully it goes well. I think there's gonna be a timer this time, so people will actually see how bad I am at pyramids. So hopefully it's like sub 4. That'd be ideal. So shout out to Hevish5, I think I have already, but this is her 75% complete domino structure for the festival. So you want to explain what we have going on here?
Yeah, so we have a bunch of 3D structures. This is the tallest one, and it just gradually gets taller and taller from that end, which I haven't built yet. But we're basically, it's just exploring different types of complex structures with unique color patterns. I think it's going to be pretty cool.
Cool, looks great so far.
Thank you.
Thanks. So, Philip took us on the highway and we're walking to a restaurant.
Yeah, I don't know where the problem is.
But yeah, cars are moving real fast over here. But we're gonna go to an Italian restaurant that's like a mile away, 2 kilometers, 1.24 miles away. And we were just gonna take the highway. So the lighthouse is over there, and we're walking this way, and we came from that way.
Daniel Kana liked my picture.
Oh, nice. Was I in it? Oh. Those stores are the most extreme stores I've ever seen. So, dinner happened. We walked for like 40 minutes, but we got here. Yeah, Lily and Nora got a huge meal, but it was really good. Cool Italian restaurant in Greece. So not exactly what you'd expect, but still really good. I was really wondering what's in these extreme stores. Look at all that extreme stuff. It's so extreme, I love it. So, dinner was really good. Just walked back with Nora, the other 3 got a taxi, and now I'm heading up to my room in the elevator. Don't know if Ricky's there yet, I don't think he is, but I'm gonna get an early night's sleep. Welcome to day, I lost count, 7 or 6 or something like that. I'm really sunburned from yesterday at the Acropolis, but Ricky and I and Nora, who's not here yet, but we're going to just explore Athens a little bit. We're on the bus right now. It leaves in about 5 minutes, and yeah, we're just gonna explore the city. Then we've got to be at the lighthouse to rehearse for the Rubik's rally that's going on later tonight, and we'll be there at 3. Hopefully we see some cool stuff in Athens. Just got a really good smoothie, strawberries, banana, apple juice, and strawberry yogurt. So we're here at Plaka. We all have smoothies. It's really good.
Backpack just broke
Ooh. Our iced watermelon juice is too hot. Go down there if you want hot ice. We're back in the lighthouse, and real soon we're gonna have the Rubik's Rally where we're all gonna be solving and talking to Erno Rubik and things like that. So now, some setups going on. Eventually rehearsals are gonna happen. Yeah, Sebastian is sleeping. Don't tell anybody. Whoa, that's my name. Haha. Look at that, there it is again. Rehearsing. with Erno Rubik. He's gonna put the final 3 cubes in, and Ricky's gonna hand them to him. Shout out to Mark Mitten over there for putting all this together. So this is Brian Berg, the card stacker. He's got some really cool card castles here. You want to tell us about him?
Well, it's all freestanding. There's no tape or glue. It's 5 days of work. We've got kind of caricatures of Parthenon and the Lighthouse of Alexandria. Of course, it would be nice to build them even bigger so that, you know, columns could really look like columns, but you win some and you lose some, so.
Looks great to me. So they're gonna fall down today?
I think we're gonna do some form of implosion here
Okay.
in a couple of hours, which is my favorite part.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
This is Daniel Goodman. He's from New Jersey in the United States. And I can suggest, watch very, very quickly. He is the record holder in the United States. This might go a little bit faster than you think.
Ωραία, είναι λοιπόν ο κάτοικος του ρεκόρ στη ΣΥΠΑ, είναι ο Daniel, είναι από την Νότια.
Three, two, one. So the Rubik's Rally just ended. It was really awesome. Now I'm here with some really cool Greek cubers. You want to introduce yourselves, everybody? Yeah, go for it.
I'm Dimitris.
Great to meet you all. And they're all going to be competing tomorrow with me too, so that's really exciting.
Let's break some records.
Let's do it. We just got dinner at this Greek restaurant. It was pretty good. I got some pasta, just like last night.
Really big. Somebody probably needs to talk to, right?
Only the best for the athlete. And here's the athlete right here. So when was the last time you did this, Sebastian?
A couple of years ago.
Couple years?
Couple of years.
Okay.
Oh god, I'm scared.
It's the athlete.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay. It's vlogging time, everybody.
The infinite mirror.
In the infinite mirror. It's like
Nice.
approximately 3?
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
It's 3.
So it's 1 to 3.
2 by 2 at 9:30
1 to 3.
tomorrow.
Nice. Good luck. It's
Thank
actually
you.
1 to 3.
It's 1 to 3. It's 1, 2, 3. This is amazing. Well,
Hilarious.
good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Have good dreams about 2 by 2.
Wait, you get like 5 hours of sleep, right?
We're gonna get 5 hours. We're gonna wake up. We're gonna do 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube.
Sounds horrible.
No, it sounds so good. The first thing I want to do when I get up is 5 2 by 2
It's not
solves.
actually that bad.
Look at this key, everybody. Oh my goodness. See, it's this kind of professionalism that gets you 52,000 subscribers. So it's competition day, on my way to the venue. It's a little bit late. It's 9:32 or so I'm actually running a little late for 2x2. Hopefully they still let me compete. If not, it's okay. I'll still be there in time for Pyraminx. But yeah, I'm here without Ricky because he's not coming until later. He's not doing 2x2 or Pyraminx. And yeah, my hair is a mess because I just got up 30 minutes ago, but it's all good. We're gonna go compete. It's 9:38, only 8 minutes late to the competition. Not bad. So I just did 2x2. It went all right except for a really bad lockup on the second solve. So it could have been a much better average, but I think it's probably a 3 something. I'm okay with that. It'll probably make finals, so I'll get another chance at sub 3. Just did Pyraminx, went pretty well. Probably around like a 2.4, 2.5 average, something like that.
That's pretty good. I did like 16 average. That's
Okay, not bad. Yeah. Hoping to do well in finals too. We'll see. I did mess up like 1 or 2 of the scrambles, but it still ended up all right, so I'm not complaining.
So you're not gonna do great in the next round.
Hope so. Just did 3x3. Got probably like 10, 11 average. Not good. I messed up on the last solve. Time for 4x4. Guess I'm going for sub 40. So I just did 4x4. What'd I get?
I didn't look at your time.
I don't actually know either.
Yeah, it's like 40 seconds or something.
Probably somewhere around there. Yeah. That's pretty good. But he's gonna get way better than that. But we got it as a team, so it's it's essentially my record too.
If I get a record.
Well, you will. About to do 5x5. And we got stations here. I'm right next to Eric. It's gonna be a good time. He's gonna beat me though. I think so.
Can I have an extra 10, please?
So tell me, how'd 3x3 go? Round 2.
Very well.
Nice.
For me, first round. Not so well because first round was my PB average and now it's like,
Yeah. Neither rounds has gone so well for me yet, but I'm saving it up for finals hopefully. So I just did one-handed. One-handed didn't go too well. Pretty bad average overall. But now I'm about to do blind. And I've been hoping for a mean since 2016, so we'll see if it can happen. There's a 15-minute cumulative time limit, so I'm gonna take my time. I'll get a 5-minute solve if I need to, if it's gonna get me a mean. So hopefully that works out. We'll see. So I just did 3 blinds, got a mean. Now I'm here with Nora, we're gonna do 4x4. 4x4 finals, it's gonna go well.
At least we try.
What?
At least we try.
Yeah, we try, yeah. Not gonna podium, but you know, it'll be fun. Maybe I'll get a good average or something.
And maybe Sebastian Weyer get forward.
Yeah, that would be good to see. They brought you another guy's cube?
yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that'll happen in 2x2.
So we are now solving in 2x2 finals.
Yeah.
But I'm holding a 3x3, I don't know why, but...
And I've got a Pyraminx over here.
But
so
we'll do fine.
Yeah, I got a 2 so far. You messed up the first one,
Yeah,
right?
but let's not mention that.
Yeah, you'll come back from it.
Okay.
And I've got Alcus judging me over here.
They gave me again. I don't know why.
They just gave you one?
Yeah, they just gave me one.
Nice.
I don't know.
That's a win right there. So 2x2 was insane. 270 something average. So PR by a lot. Finally sub 3, so I'm really happy about that. And now I'm about to do Pyra. We got Alcus as the judge still. It's gonna be a good time. And I got my backup X-Man bell here. I got my 2x2 here. And of course, got my headphones. Gonna listen to some calming music while I, like, between solves and stuff. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. So, just did 3x3 finals. It went well. Somehow I got sub 10 average and I got a 7 single under the pressure, so that was nice. I actually somehow remained pretty chill, which was cool. I don't know how that'll actually do. We'll have to wait and see, but I don't know. Podium would be nice. I doubt it though. People were doing really well. So now the top 4 seeds in the previous rounds of 3x3 are going to come up and do themselves on stage. As you can see, we've got a pretty big crowd, and I'm one of the judges, so I'm going to get to judge 2 of them. And over there will be the other 2. There we go. So yeah, currently I'm actually first out of the people who have competed, but Philipp and Sebastian will definitely beat me. And if Ricky or Eric beats me, I will be off the podium, but I'll be happy for them. So we'll see what happens. I'd love a podium, but yeah, it's about to start. So I just got 3rd in 3x3, and I'm here with, what's your name? Yasin. Yasin, nice to meet you. Shout out Yasin. Here we are. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Fox. I'm from Greece. I was at the last competition, and I'm talking with Daniel.
Yeah, we've been hanging out over the past couple days, and I'm shocked, but he didn't make it into the vlog until now. But yeah, shout out to him. So the competition is over, and with that, the week is over. I podiumed in 4 events, and I won Pyraminx in 2x2, which was really exciting. First ever podium in 3x3. Erno put this on my head, and that was so cool. And there's the final mosaic.